Welcome to the wonderful world of gardening. I'm PeeOwl, your guide on this exciting adventure where we'll learn how to grow our very own food right at home. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about seeds. Seeds are like tiny treasure chests filled with potential. When choosing seeds, think about what you love to eat. Do you enjoy crunchy carrots, juicy tomatoes, or maybe sweet strawberries? You can find seeds at garden centers or even online. Look for seeds that are labeled as easy to grow if you're just starting out. Remember, every seed has its own special needs, so check the packet for tips on how to plant them. Now, let's chat about soil. Soil is like a cozy blanket for your plants. It provides them with nutrients and support. You want to use good quality soil that's rich in organic matter. If you can, mix in some compost. Compost is like a superfood for your plants, made from kitchen scraps and yard waste. It helps your plants grow strong and healthy. When you're ready, fill your garden bed or pots with this nutrient-rich soil, leaving enough space for your seeds to breathe. Next up is planting your garden space. Think about where you want to plant your seeds. Do you have a sunny spot in your yard? Or maybe some pots on a balcony? Most vegetables and fruits love sunshine, so pick a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If you're using pots, make sure they have holes at the bottom for drainage. Plants don't like to sit in water, just like you wouldn't want to wear wet socks. Now it's time to plant those seeds. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for how deep to plant them. Some seeds are tiny and just need a sprinkle on top of the soil, while others need to be buried a little deeper. Once you've planted your seeds, give them a gentle drink of water. Not too much though. Think of it like giving them a refreshing sip, not a big splash. After planting, it's all about care and patience. Water your plants regularly, but be careful not to drown them. A good rule of thumb is to check the soil. If it feels dry an inch down, it's time for a drink. You'll also want to keep an eye out for weeds. Weeds are like uninvited guests at a party. They take up space and nutrients that your plants need. Pull them out gently, making sure not to disturb your precious plants. As your plants start to grow, you'll see little sprouts popping up. This is the most exciting part. Make sure they're getting enough sunlight and water. You might even want to talk to them. Some people believe that talking to plants helps them grow better. Who knows? It could be true. Once your plants are big enough, it's time to harvest. This is the best part, eating what you've grown. Whether it's picking a ripe tomato or pulling up a carrot, there's nothing quite like the taste of fresh food you've nurtured yourself. So remember, gardening is a journey filled with learning and fun. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. With a little patience and love, you can grow your own food and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Happy gardening.
Let's go to the garden, come on, let's start. With PeeOwl by your side, you'll grow it with heart. Dig a little hole and drop the seed and cover it with soil and give it a grin. Water it gently day and night, soon you'll see a sprout. What a delight! Plant a seed, watch it grow. Sunshine helps and now you know. Give it love and you will see a garden full of food just for me. Pick the weeds and let the bugs go. Keep the soil rich, help the roots grow. Carrots, beans, and lettuce too. You'll be amazed what your hands can do. Plant a seed, watch it grow. Sunshine helps and now you know. Give it love and you will see a garden full of food just for me. Growing food is fun to do with PeeOwl and nature too. Take a bite and feel the cheer. We did it, friends! Let's garden!
Wow, what a journey we've had today. I hope you enjoyed every moment as much as I did. If you found value in our adventure, why not give that like button a little tap? It really helps us spread the joy and reach more friends who might need a smile. And if you're not part of our growing family yet, consider subscribing. Join us for more fun, laughter, and exciting content. We love having you here, and your support means the world to us. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts or ideas. What did you enjoy most? Your feedback helps us create even better experiences together. Remember, every like, subscription, and comment makes a difference. Let's keep this cheerful vibe going. Thanks for being part of our community.